this is the first thing I'll be using after I already moisturize my face. You have to shake well. This is the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. If you haven't seen it before, it works really great as a oil control, and all you have to do is apply it on the places where you tend to oil, like produce oil a lot. So while I'm allowing that to dry down, I'll be using these two foundations from Lagirl Cosmetics. This is warm caramel and rich cocoa. So I'll be mixing these two shades to get my exact shade. So now that this stuff has already dried down on my face, now I'm going to apply the foundation directly to my skin, like so. So to highlight, I like to always use my Lagirl Pro concealer in the shade Corn, and this Zikel lightweight waterproof full coverage concealer in the shade Creamy. So I'm going to go back with my Lagirl foundation, and I'm going to use this to sort of like contour the sides of my face. So what I'm going to do is to like close my mouth and do this. Now that I have that, I'm going to add a little bit to my forehead and just blend perfectly. To marry these two colors together, the highlighting and the contour, because you don't want any line around your face. So time to set. I'll be using the Sacha buttercup setting powder. I've already mixed it with my CMA setting powder, so the color is a little bit translucent. So I'm going to look up again in case there are any creases that must have settled in under my eye while I was doing the contour. Gently pick up this and look up and press. Press, press. So now I'm going to basically just set everywhere first with the powder before I come back to big it. So guys, I'm done with the brows now. I'm just applying some concealer on my lid to prep my eyes for eyeshadow.
Now, it is extremely important that you apply some setting powder underneath your eye so that it will catch any fallouts from your eyeshadow. Because me, I can be messy sometimes. You get. So now I'm just picking up that very fine blue shade from the Afrique Juviasplace palette, and I'm just applying it on my lid gently as I go. Then I'll start blending upwards with the leftover color on the brush and taking to set my brow bone so that once I apply my crease color, everything will be able to blend into each other seamlessly. So once I'm done with the base, I went ahead to pick up this blue pigment from Zikelcosmetics. Now I'm just applying my glitter or pigment adhesive with a stiff brush. Now I'm transferring the pigment directly on all the areas where I already added the adhesive, and after this I pretty much went ahead to line my waterline with this gel liner from Yangabeauty, and using this liquid liner from Houseoftara, and the lashes are from Wynkklashes in the style Caro, and mascara I'm using is from Yangabeauty as well, and these are what the lashes are looking like. It's so pretty. I really like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see already. Now I went ahead to add a little bit of glow, and I'm using this one from Yangabeauty. This is the Turkish highlighter, and I'm just applying this on the high points of my face, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead, and just everywhere, so I can be looking like a fine girl. Yeah, that's what's up. Fam, the lips are always my favorite part. Like, I like how I do it. Like, I always want to do my lips. Like, it's so, I feel like it's therapeutic for me. Yeah. I always like to line my lips and then go over with a matte lipstick. And today I'm just blending with my fingers. Guys, please excuse my fingers. I have not been to the nail artist in a long while, and I should have cleaned that stuff off my fingers, but no matter, we're looking cute anyway. So it's time to unravel my hair. And guys, I did a mini video of this low ponytail, and if you'd like to see this video, kindly click up on that link above right now and you'll be able to watch it. And that is pretty much everything. Now I'm just using the leftover concealer foundation on my brush to blend out the edges, and now I'm using this Zikel setting spray. And I said I was going to talk to you guys about this setting spray. Is really good actually. It dries really fast, and it helps your makeup stay all day, which is something I really like. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, I went ahead to add a little bit of gloss. Okay, these ones are from Zaroncosmetics. They are the xoxo mini lip glosses. I really like them. I got 2, and also some mascara for my bottom lashes. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.